Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 7 New Questions and Ideas. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Jainism Part 3. This comprises 13 questions. Question 1. Followers of Mahavira are known as dash. The options are Buddhists, Mahavirists, Jainas, Jinals. Your time to choose. And the answer is Jainas. So, followers of Mahavira are known as Jainas. Question 2. Followers of Mahavira, known as Jainas, had to lead dash. The options are very simple lives, armies, in society, in business. Your time to choose. And the answer is very simple lives. So, followers of Mahavira, known as Jainas, had to lead very simple lives. Question 3. Followers of Mahavira, known as Jainas, had to lead very simple lives and dash. The options are did social work for food, did simple work, meditated, begged for food. Your time to choose. And the answer is begged for food. So, followers of Mahavira, known as Jainas, had to lead very simple lives and begged for food. Question 4. Jainas had to be dash. The options are at home, absolutely honest, in caves, questioning life till they find solutions. Your time to choose. And the answer is absolutely honest. So, Jainas had to be absolutely honest. Question 5. Jainas had to be absolutely honest and was specially asked dash. The options are to keep silence, reflect on their lives, not to steal, help people. Your time to choose. And the answer is not to steal. So, Jainas had to be absolutely honest and were especially asked not to steal. Question 6. Jainas had to observe dash. The options are silence, celibacy, protests against injustice, daily prayers. Your time to choose. And the answer is celibacy. So, Jainas had to observe celibacy. Question 7. Jaina men had to dash. The options are observe silence, remove all hair, give up everything, follow the middle path. Your time to choose. And the answer is give up everything. So, Jaina men had to give up everything. Question 8. Jaina men had to give up everything, including their dash. The options are clothes, hair, teeth, slippers. Your time to choose. And the answer is clothes. So, Jaina men had to give up everything, including their clothes. Question 9. It was dash for most men and women to follow the strict rules. The options are very easy, possible with practice, not possible, very difficult. Your time to choose. And the answer is very difficult. So, it was very difficult for most men and women to follow the strict rules. Question 10. Despite it being very difficult to follow the strict rules of Jainism, dash left their homes. The options are a few, thousands, millions, hundreds. Your time to choose. And the answer is thousands. So, despite it being very difficult to follow the strict rules of Jainism, thousands left their homes. Next question. Question 11. Despite it being very difficult to follow the strict rules of Jainism, thousands left their homes to dash. The options are learn, teach, learn and teach, learn and teach this new way of life. Your time to choose. And the answer is learn and teach this new way of life. So, despite it being very difficult to follow the strict rules of Jainism, thousands left their homes to learn and teach this new way of life. Question 12. Many men and women remained behind to dash. The options are live a worldly life, enjoy life, support their families, support those who became monks and nuns. Your time to choose. And the answer is support those who became monks and nuns. So, many men and women remained behind to support those who became monks and nuns. Next question. Many men and women remained behind to support those who became monks and nuns by dash. The options are praying for them, providing them with clothes, providing them with water, providing them with food. Your time to choose. And the answer is providing them with food. So, many men and women remained behind to support those who became monks and nuns by providing them with food. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Jainism Part 3. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Jainism Part 4. I'll see you there.